Welcome back. This is part 3 of a series on how to restore, basically not restore, but completely change a vintage cabinet. This piece was very dated, as you can see in part 1, where we basically gave it a good clean. Part 2 is adding 2 coats of chalk paint, which was Behr chalk paint in the color Shasta Lake. Part 3, which is today, I'm going to distress that chalk paint to give it some style, and we're also going to be adding this peel and stick wallpaper that I purchased from Home Depot to the back of the cabinet. And the back of the cabinet has had quite a bit of damage, water damage, so it needs to be replaced. So I'll show you how we go about doing that as well. For me to paint the inside of the cabinet, and for the inside I'm going with Duck Egg by Sloan.